Hello, Nathan. Good morning. Good morning. So, how was your sleep then? Ouch! How was your sleep, Nathan? 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 How was your sleep? Tell Mama about our cuddle time earlier. We had a cuddle time, eh, Ma?
How was it, baby?
How was it?
Sleepy?
you, you slept. You slept during our cuddle time. I'm telling you a story. Then you fall asleep. You fall asleep, baby. What's that? You don't like it? Hmm. Hmm. Ah, gutom na. Gutom na ang baby. Oh. Where's that pouty lip? Where's that pouty lip? Come on. Come on. Pouty lips. Pouty lips.
That's enough, Daddy. I'm hungry.